Welcome to this test prep skill video covering strategies for solving questions in standardized tests such as the SAT, ACT, GRE, MCAT, and DAT. My name is Matthew and I'll be your learning guide for this question. A parallelogram has an area of 120 square meters. If the base is known to be 1 less than 2 times the height, what is the length of the base in meters? So we're going to use the table method, and we're going to look at the answers here, and they're given as the base, which means you need another column for the height. The base times the height gets you back to 120, so we fill those in here: 20, 15, 12, 10, and 8. All right. Sometimes there's duplication like this, meaning you see the same numbers on the left and the right. Now, rather than writing an equation here, which we can do, we could say that the base is known to be 1 less than 2 times the height, okay? And then to create an equation, which is h times 2h minus 1 equals the area, which is 120. This is slow. You don't want to do this. This is not the intended approach for a problem like this one. Use the table method. Build a table of values much faster. This took a lot faster than writing these numbers out than the equations on the right. So now we just look for the one that satisfies it, okay? If the base is known to be 1 less than 2 times the height, which of these numbers, when you double it and subtract 1, results in the base? So 40 minus 1 is 39, 30 minus 1 is 29, 24 minus 1 is 23, 20 minus 1 is 19, and then 16 minus 1 is 15. Letter E is the correct answer. So use the table. It's a much faster approach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when my latest instructional videos are posted. To learn more about how you can accelerate your learning, visit tutoringbymatthew.com and schedule your lesson today.